Hi guys, today, oh, hi guys, today we're gonna be attempting to clean my desk. It's really messy. I don't really want to show you guys, but shout out to Melanie because she was the one giving me these, but it's because my stomach was hurting while, at school. Handy in the future. Thank you, Melanie. Aww. Cough drops. There's only like 2 of them in here. Math homework. I literally already graduated. But this could be useful maybe in the future. I don't know. I made this for my boyfriend because he likes Sabrina Carpenter, but I never even gave it to him. And this was for prom. This was 2 months ago. Maybe I'll give this to him, I don't know. I got these things at the store. They're for the Polaroid films. So, I don't know. Yeah. This is from my cousin's birthday party, which is literally a year ago because this is from last August. Oh, this is cute. This is my Hello Kitty coin purse, which I have no coins in here because they're in my wallet. Okay. Tape. 1, 2, 3. Literally, bro. This is the phone case I got right now. I'll play the clip. Hi guys, today we got a letter from PlayStation. Oh my god, my address is right there. Today we're gonna see what they sent me. A few months ago, I sent out letters to only 4 companies, which is kind of sad. I should have did more, but I did it with my friends, and one of the companies I did was PlayStation. Hopefully they give me what is it called? Hopefully they give me a PlayStation card. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, let's see. A special thanks from the PlayStation family. I got Fortnite. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, and I got this other game. I don't think I'll play that, but I don't know. It just says, Kehlani, congratulations on your graduation. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to contact us. From all of us in the PlayStation family, we are really grateful you are a part of our PlayStation community. Play has no limits. Ta-da! I ordered a phone case from Shein, and it got here too. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Also, this is my first video on my MacBook. I literally just got it for college. Yeah. Another phone case. This, I got it recently because obviously I'm a freaking senior. And I'm not a senior anymore, but when I was a senior, this is what I had on. The back of my phone case. 2 single batteries. Hashtag shout out to my grandpa because he got me these. You don't know when you'll need them, My old wallet. Now this is kind of hanging on by a thread. Literally. Oh! Chick-fil-A card. I already used this. This is from Josie. Thank you, Josie. It has $5 in it. My library card. Starbucks card. McDonald's card. Barnes and Noble's card. I have too many gift cards. Oh, I have some sunglasses. I remember I got these this past February because I was hanging out with my friends and we had a little Valentine's hangout and we ate so much. Maybe I can insert the pictures. If I can't insert it, I look dumb. Moving on. These glasses. These are 3D glasses. These are from when I first hung out with Mia and Brian. We went to the movie theater and saw the Mario movie. That was like 2 years ago. These glasses, they're too small because they're like kid glasses. But this is from my 17th birthday party. This was last year. Cricket. Oh, this is when I went with Adrian and my aunt to the Sabrina Carpenter pop-up shop that was here in Chicago. Maybe I could insert the pictures. If I can't, I look really dumb because this is the second time I'm trying to say to insert the pictures. Selfie stick. This shouldn't really be here. This should be like in my closet. Don't know what. Oh, I had this in my desk since December when Leslie came over my house and we did like a hear me out cake. I'll insert the pictures or video or something in here. So I got this for my friends for Valentine's Day, this past Valentine's Day. It's one of those like slap bracelets. Oh, I have these glasses too. Okay, funny story. These glasses are from when Brian, aka my boyfriend, he gave me these glasses when he went on a field trip with Mia. I couldn't go. Well, it's because we weren't in the same class. Yeah. But he gave me those before we started dating. This is the slime I was supposed to give Mia like 2 years ago. But it's still in here, so. Oh my god, my old PlayStation gift cards that I got for my birthday. Guys, my birthday's coming up like in August, September, October, November, December, January. Like 6 months. You guys know what to get me. I have like a lot of pencils and pens in here. I don't really know where I'm going with this. I guess I just want to organize everything. I just have too much. I still have more things in here. Like, okay. Oh, I have this pin. This was me and Mia's matching pins, but mine kind of broke. So it's just in here now. I have too much things. Also, guys, after this cleaning my desk, I'm gonna attempt to clean my closet. I have these bracelets. Don't know. I'm obviously still gonna keep them because why wouldn't I? I have this cutesy book. It's a Polaroid book. And it's my dog. She's so cute. This is me and my best friend, Leslie. Shout out to her. We've been almost friends for like 7 years. That's crazy. This notebook has been with me since freshman year of high school. 4 years ago. It has all the secrets. I'm just kidding. No, it doesn't. It just has random stuff, honestly. This is a post-it note my freshman English teacher gave me. She was actually really nice. I kind of miss her because she transferred after the first year. And she made everybody like these laminated reminders. This book just has like a lot of memories of freshman year and like who I was friends with. I used to write my schedules, like when my schedules used to come out for school. I used to write them down and then just, yeah. It's just, I like to keep it as memory. Also, this is my first temporary ID ever in high school. And I think I've only gotten like 3 out of the whole 4 years of high school. Yeah, it's because I'm just too good. But literally, funny story. The last day of high school, I lost my ID. Yeah. And I went to go get a new one because I couldn't leave high school without my senior ID. Like, I needed that. And I went to the little office where you get your IDs, new IDs. And I asked them, I was like, can I get a new ID? And then they were like, no. But then there was these 2 counselors in there. And they were like, why don't you just give her the ID? She's literally leaving like tomorrow. And then he was like, okay. And then I got the ID for free. Because the ID was supposed to be $5. And I had the $5 ready in my pocket. Oh, also, about those $5, later that day, I lost the $5. I really think it's the jeans that I was wearing that day. Because why was everything coming out of my pockets? This is my speech flashcards. This is like PTSD. I hated speech. Speech was just bad. I'm not sure what I'm actually gonna do with everything. I don't know. I have Harry Potter coasters, which I don't know. I'm gonna like take a break and come back when it's clean because I can't think right now. I need music or something in the background. Bye. Hi guys. Change of location. It was super hot in my room. I cleaned my desk and I cleaned a little bit of my closet, not a lot. Yeah, that's really it. Maybe I'll show like a little clip that like I cleaned a little bit. Hashtag shout out to Gert. He's texting me right now. Yeah, but that's the end of this vlog, I guess. I don't know. I just want to do like a little video on the MacBook to see how it'll work out. So yeah, bye.